Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. You need to give me brief answers in 4, 5, 6 sentences, and your answer should have 3 parts. The first part is direct answer, second part elaborate your answer and conclude. So, what is your favorite mode of transportation?
Okay, personally, I prefer to use a car because it's very convenient rather than any other transport. So, according to my city condition, recently they are the rainy days, so that's why I usually go on use this type of transportation.
Okay. Do you use public transport as well?
Frankly speaking, honestly speaking, I don't prefer to use the public transportation because, according to my family background and my personal opinion, there are a lot of problem with public transport because you don't have time to reach on time on other to go to other places, and especially if you are a job holder, then you have a difficulty to reach on your destination.
Okay. Do you prefer to use your personal conveyance or a shared vehicle?
Okay, as I told you earlier that I prefer to use my personal vehicle, usually a car. So because it's more convenient than other transportation, because as I told you that I am a job holder, so I used to go on time at my destination.
Okay. Is driving to work popular in your country?
In honestly speaking, in my country, driving is most convenient part of everyone because due to the immense population in our country and a lot of traffic area in our country, there are a lot of difficulties our audience are facing nowadays, and also the one important factor is weather condition in our country that affect our transportation also. So yeah, my answer is to you that it's
Good,
more
very good.
convenient.
So your fluency is very good. This is your positive thing. And secondly, the way you are answering in the beginning, frankly speaking, honestly speaking, use it a couple of times, but not in every answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And there are minor grammatical mistakes, but because you speak fluently, you speak clearly, it can bring you very good pen score,
Okay,
right?
sir. Thank you.
Okay, now let's move on. Uh, do you like to invite your friends to come to your house?
Yes, I really like to invite my friends at my house uh, um, almost once in a month. I invited.
I invite them.
I invite them at my house for
Okay.
high tea.
All right. Now, see, you need to expand your answer. And you said high tea, so you can expand on your answer. For example, do you often invite friends to visit your house? Yes, I do, and I love to see my friends in my house. Most of the time, I invite them on weekends, especially whenever I arrange any high tea. So, I would love to invite my friends. So, to answer your question, I really enjoy the company of my friends, and for that, I usually invite them to my place. Something like that, okay? Now let's go on. What do you offer to the guests who come to your house?
Uh,
Tea, coffee,
yes,
whatever.
depends upon the guest choice.
Depending upon the guest's choice,
Yes,
depending
depending
upon.
upon the guest choice and the time. If evening time, I offered tea
I
and
offer
coffee.
them tea.
I offer them tea and coffee with snacks, and I also made very good pizzas at home, and my friends really like my homemade food.
Okay. How often do you visit your friends?
Almost once in a month. They also invite other friends to their homes, and I really like to go to my friends' places.
Okay, that's good. So overall, your answers are fine. In the end, there should be one sentence conclusion, and you need to practice these topics
Yes.
time and again so that answers are ready in your mind. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so
Thank you
much.
so